Good morning, students. In this video, we learn about the decimal to octal conversion. Decimal to octal conversion. For example, my value is 64 and 64 is my decimal number, so its base is 10. And now we want to convert it into octal number, question mark, and the base of the octal is 8. So now we convert it into octal number. For this same like binary, just your base is changed. Now your base is 8, and now you can write here 64, and here you can use the divide method, but now we divide with the 8. Why? Because octal base is 8. So you can write here 8. 8 8 is 64. Remainder is 0. Again you can divide with 8. 8 1 is 8. Remainder is your 0. So here is your remainder 1, and this is your remainder 2, and this one is your remainder 3. And we always start writing our answer from the most significant, the last significant, last remainder, bottom to top. So just you can first write down the remainder 3. Remainder 3 is our 1. Then you can write down the remainder 2, and our remainder 2 is 0. Then you can write down the remainder 1. Again our remainder 1 is 0. Then you can write down the 8 here. How you can write your answer? 64, and 64 is your decimal, and our answer is, our octal number is 100, and you can write down 8 here. Clear everyone? So we can take one more example here if you want. For example, we take here example, our value is, and our next value we taken here 1 2 1. This is my decimal value, and convert it into octal. So just write down 1 2 1 and use the divide method here. 8 1 ja 8, remainder 4. 8 5 ja 40, remainder 1. Again you can divide. 8 1 ja 8, and 15 minus 8 7. So your remainder 1 is 1, and your remainder 2 is 7, and your remainder 3 is 1. So write your answer here from the last. Remainder 3, and remainder 3 is our 1. Then you can write down remainder 2. Remainder 2 is our 7, and then write down remainder 3, and remainder 3 is our again 1, and then you can write down here 8. This is 8 is your octal. Always your numbers in octal 0 to 7. If here 8 9 any number is there, so you are some mistake in your question. So only 0 to 7 values in your octal number. So you can, again you can see here, you can divide 1 to 1 from the 8. 8 1 ja 8, remainder 4. 8 5 ja 40, remainder 1. 8 1 ja 8, remainder 7. So your answer is 171. And we also do this question with fraction point also. For example, my value here is point 25 decimal convert it into octal. So again same with binary fraction, just write down 0.25 multiply with 8. 8 5 ja 40, carry 4, 8 2 ja 16, 16 or 4 20. So write down 20 here, 2 dot. So your answer is 0.2. This is the answer of your question, 0.2. Clear everyone? For example, this question in this way, 17.25 decimal convert into octal number. So you can convert 17 in simple way, divide method. 8 2 ja 16, carry 1. So your answer here, this is your remainder 1 and this is your remainder 2. So our answer is remainder 2. First write down here 2, then you can write down remainder 1, 1, and after that you can write down dot, and now 0.25 we have already calculated here, 0.25 in 2, so you can write down here 2 octal. So how you write your answer? 17.25 decimal equivalent to 21.2 octal. So here is the conversion of decimal to octal and decimal fraction, decimal with uh, decimal value, decimal with fractional point to octal conversion is completed here. In next video we are discuss about the decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Thank you so much everyone.